Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I highly appreciate you. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use aloe vera to make your hair grow and that skin glow. Yes, let's get it. Hey! All right. For this video, you're going to need an extra large washed aloe vera leaf. But before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get the latest updated videos. Now to get started, you just want to chop your aloe vera into nice big chunks. Next, you just want to remove the rough edges off the sides. After removing the edges, you can go ahead and start removing the center of the aloe vera into a bowl. I'm using a knife, but you can use a spoon or whatever is more comfortable for you. Whichever you choose, just make sure you be very careful because it's pretty slippery. After you've cut the chunk in half, go ahead and gently cut the center out and place it in a bowl and put your skin in another bowl because you're going to need it later. This is the part where I eat some. Chop me a little piece. You can work from the inside out. Next, I'm just going to find me a couple pieces to use for my sugar scrub. Biggest pieces I find. I'll use one for my face. And the remainder peelings I just put in the pot and boil for nasal decongestant in the home. Next, I'm going to spritz my hair with a little water and get it ready for the aloe vera. Now is a good time to go ahead and drape yourself with a towel.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard?
Now we're just gonna dive right in, applying the aloe vera. I like to start in the middle and then my edges.
Boy wanna go 10 back, quick, whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang.
Then I part from front to back, saturating my hair from roots to ends.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that?
I massage it in to stimulate hair growth, and then I go ahead and pin it up and proceed to the next side.
Boy, when it goes to him, but quick, old gang, old man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out of that chain gang. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that?
Put your shower cap on and leave on for at least 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to take the leftover skin I had set aside earlier, put some sugar on it, and use it for a sugar scrub. Finally, it's time to go ahead and remove the shower cap. Check out the elasticity in those curls. Just beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. This is what we're looking like after we rinsed. Okay, I'm just going to come in with the leave-in conditioner. Today I'm using Blueberry Bliss by Curls. For the finishing touch, I'm just going to use a little aloe vera gel to lay down my edges and to define my curls a bit more. A little bit of this and that, and voila. Definitely got those curls growing and that skin glowing. Well, there you have it. 5 different ways you can use aloe vera. Natural beauty is always the best beauty. So I hope you got something out of the video today. Until next time, peace.
This smells like musty. Feels like an octopus's bottom.
How do you know what an octopus bottom feel like?
Because